Welcome. In this video, we will be going over Mercedes-Benz Parking Pilot, or as I like to call it, Park Assist 2.0. First debuted on E300 model year 2017, capable of parallel and perpendicular parking. Parking Pilot is easier to use than its predecessor. Okay, step 1, press the Parking Pilot button. Cool, your vehicle screen should look like this. Step 2, drive forward towards the open parking space. The parking space that you want must be between two vehicles. For maximum safety, only use Parking Pilot with space between two vehicles in mind, regardless of what the vehicle system shows you to be available. Alright, so we need to pull up parallel to the vehicle in front of the space that we want. A successful approach should look like this. The parking space is shown with a P in the middle. Confirm the parking space by pressing the thumb touch control button located on the right side of the steering column. Follow the prompts and engage reverse. Okay, step 3, time for action! Hands off the steering wheel and ease off the brake. Let's continue. The thick green lines are your tire trajectory, and the red line is vehicles do not cross zone. Notice the two red lines? These two right here. This is where your vehicle is looking to stop whenever it needs to change gears or go into park. Let's continue. Notice how the vehicle status changed from be ready to brake to changing gear. Parking Pilot will automatically engage the D or R gear the necessary amount of times needed to complete the parking job. Parking job complete. Phew. But what about exiting? Remember step 1? Press the parking button. Your vehicle screen should look like this. Press the thumb touch button. Follow the prompts on the vehicle screen and observe your surroundings during the vehicle's exit. Congratulations if you made it this far and you were successful in your parallel or perpendicular parking. The speeds that I found most successful were between 8 to 10 miles per hour. I try not to go too fast. I'm not a robot, I promise you. I love and I enjoy making these videos for you guys. Hope you guys continue to watch. Let me know other features you may want to see in the future done by me or explained by me. Thank you for watching. Peace.